Hello, dear English learners. Welcome back to Slow English Stories. Many learners say English is too fast. They hear words, but they do not understand. This is normal. This is why we are here. Today's video is Slow English Listening. William Shakespeare. From small town boy to world's greatest writer. This story is not only about English, it is also about imagination. You will hear how a boy from a small town in England became the most famous writer in the world. Every slow English story is carefully written for beginners. Short sentences, clear words, step by step. By the end, you will understand more English and feel more confident. So subscribe, activate the bell, and come back every day. Now let's begin the inspiring story of William Shakespeare. The year is 1564. A baby is born in Stratford-upon-Avon. This is a small town in England. The baby's name is William Shakespeare. William's father sells leather gloves. His mother takes care of the house. They are not rich. They are not poor. They are simple people. William goes to school when he is 7 years old. At school, he learns to read. He learns to write. He learns Latin. Latin is an old language, but William loves stories more than Latin. He loves to hear stories. He loves to tell stories. His imagination is very strong. "Tell me a story, William," his friends say. "Once upon a time," William begins, and he tells amazing stories. His friends listen with big eyes. When William is 14, something happens. His father has money problems. William must stop school. He must help his family. William works with his father. He makes gloves, but in his heart, he dreams of stories. He dreams of words. He dreams of something bigger. At night, William reads books. He reads by candlelight. His mother says, "William, go to sleep." But William cannot sleep. Words are dancing in his head. Stories are calling him. One day, actors come to Stratford-upon-Avon. They perform plays in the town square. William watches them. His eyes shine with excitement. "I want to do that," William thinks. "I want to tell stories like them." The actors speak beautiful words. They make people laugh. They make people cry. William knows this is his dream. But how can a boy from a small town become an actor? How can he write plays? It seems impossible. William's family needs him. The town is small. There are no big theaters here. But William has something special. He has imagination. He has words. He has dreams. William is now 18 years old. He marries a woman named Anne Hathaway. They have 3 children together. William loves his family, but his heart still calls for something more. London is calling him. London is the biggest city in England. London has theaters. London has actors. London has opportunities. One day, William makes a difficult decision. He says goodbye to his family. He promises to come back. He takes the road to London. London is huge. London is busy. London is scary for a small town boy. William has little money. He has no friends. He has only his dreams. William finds work at a theater, but he is not an actor yet. He takes care of horses. He cleans the theater. He watches the actors practice. Every day, William learns something new. He listens to the actors. He studies their voices. He watches how they move on stage. "Can I try?" William asks one day. The other actors laugh. "You? You are just a horse boy." But the theater owner sees something in William. "Show me what you can do," he says. William stands on the stage. He speaks some lines. His voice is strong. His words are clear. Everyone stops laughing. "Not bad," says the theater owner. You can be in our next play." William is so happy. Finally, he is an actor, but William wants more. He wants to write his own plays. At night, William writes. He writes by candlelight in his small room. He writes about love. He writes about kings. He writes about ordinary people. His first play is not perfect, but it has something special. The words sound like music. The characters feel real. Who wrote this? People ask. William Shakespeare, the actors say. Soon everyone in London knows the name William Shakespeare. The small town boy is becoming famous. William is now 30 years old. He is the most popular writer in London. Everyone wants to see his plays. Everyone wants to hear his words. William writes a play called Romeo and Juliet. It is about two young people in love, but their families hate each other. The story is beautiful and sad. People cry when they watch Romeo and Juliet. They feel the love. They feel the pain. William's words touch their hearts. To be or not to be, that is the question. William writes in another play. This play is called Hamlet. It is about a prince who must choose between revenge and forgiveness. William writes about kings in Macbeth. He writes about magic in A Midsummer Night's Dream. He writes about everything. But William's greatest gift is this. He writes about feelings, love, hate, fear, hope, jealousy, courage. These feelings are universal. They are the same for all people, in all times. Queen Elizabeth loves William's plays. Rich people love them. Poor people love them too. William writes for everyone. The Globe Theatre becomes William's home. This is where his plays come alive. Hundreds of people come to watch. They laugh, they cry, they dream. William is not just writing plays now. He is creating magic with words. He invents new words. Many words we use today come from Shakespeare. Break the ice, heart of gold, wild goose chase. William created these expressions. Other writers try to copy William, but nobody can write like him. His imagination is too big. His understanding of people is too deep. William becomes rich. He buys a big house in Stratford-upon-Avon for his family. But success does not change him. He remembers where he comes from. I am still the boy who loved stories, William tells his friends. William Shakespeare writes 37 plays. He writes many poems, too. Then, at age 52, he decides to return home. William goes back to Stratford-upon-Avon. He wants to spend time with his family. He wants to rest. He has worked so hard for so many years. But even at home, William cannot stop creating. He continues to write. Words are his life. Stories are his soul. William dies in 1616. He is only 52 years old, but his words will live forever. Today, more than 400 years later, people still read Shakespeare. Students study his plays in school. Actors perform his stories on stage. Shakespeare's plays are translated into every language. In China, people watch Romeo and Juliet. In Brazil, people perform Hamlet. In Russia, people love Macbeth. Why is Shakespeare still popular? Because he writes about what makes us human. Love is the same today as it was 400 years ago. Fear is the same. Hope is the same. Shakespeare understood people. He understood their hearts. He understood their dreams and their pain. All the world's a stage, Shakespeare wrote, and all the men and women merely players. This means that life is like a theater. We all play our parts. We all have our stories. William Shakespeare started as a small-town boy. He had no special advantages. He
He was not born rich. He was not born famous, but he had imagination. He had curiosity. He had the courage to dream big. And most importantly, he never gave up. The boy who loved stories became the greatest storyteller in the world. His words changed literature forever. His plays changed theater forever. When you feel small, remember William Shakespeare. When you think your dreams are too big, remember this story. Shakespeare proves that anyone can achieve greatness. You just need to believe in your dreams. You need to work hard, and you need to never stop learning.
This is the inspiring story of William Shakespeare. From a small town to the world's greatest writer. Remember, your English journey is like Shakespeare's story. Start small. Practice every day. Never give up. The more you listen, the more you understand. And the more you hear real inspiring stories, the stronger you feel. Shakespeare wrote, "Better 3 hours too soon than a minute too late." This means start now. Don't wait. Come back every day for another slow English story. Your English will improve step by step. Subscribe, activate the bell, like this video, and share with friends who are learning English. See you in the next slow English story. Keep learning, keep dreaming, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for watching.